Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rachel, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys my mascara routine, my lash routine. For those of you who have bald-headed eyes, I have always struggled with stubby, disgusting looking short eyelashes that just aren't attractive and have forced me to end up looking like a little boy. So today I'm going to be showing you guys what I use and the things that I do in order to create the tiniest sliver of length that I can possibly achieve with the little that I have. So if you guys want to see how I do my mascara for my short little stubs, just keep on watching. I didn't shave my mustache. Oh well. Anyway, so what I typically do for my lashes is I used to have absolute stubs. They were short and fat and they had nothing to offer. I have a previous video that I have of a glow up transformation, and I go on a rant saying I don't like mascara and I don't like all that stuff, but it's only because it just didn't work on my lashes because I had none. I hate doing my lashes, I hate mascara, I hate it all. And I still don't have much, but this right here, this is my holy grail, my Tara's in Honor eyelash serum. I use it every single night. Don't miss a night. I have a reminder on my phone just to make sure that I do it because it has transformed my eyelash game, you guys. So that is number one, what I do. I've been doing that for what? I have a skincare video, and in the skincare video, I had only used it for a couple weeks. So whenever I posted that is when I started using it. So it's been working so far. My eyelashes are a lot longer than what they used to be, which is pretty sad because they're just not long. So yeah, it doesn't have any prostaglandins, I believe. I think that's how you say it, prostaglandins. So it shouldn't give you those side effects of dark under eyes and all that stuff. And I haven't been irritated so far, but obviously everybody's different. So use it at your own risk. What I typically do for my lashes is eyelash curler, brand spanking new. So get an eyelash curler and then what's it called? A lighter. I take my lighter. You have to do this quick and forewarned, just if you don't burn yourself, please don't burn yourself, you guys. When I tell you, if you burn yourself, it is not my fault. It's not my fault. So, take a little flame and I go, done. That's it. It's a little warm to the touch. Then press it up against your eye and curl. Curl at the base, kind of flip it up a little bit. And then I slowly start to move up. And the lighter is just, you know, if you curled your hair, I use it to curl my lashes, and then it'll stay a little bit better. See? They're so short, you guys. I can't. Alrighty, so now that my lashes are curled, okay, so I take my L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara, just do one little dip moment. This is so difficult to do. And then I go in and I try to focus on the tips and the tips alone because I did all that work curling and I don't want it to revert back and go stick straight again because that's what happens with my lashes. So now while this dries, this is just the first coat. While this dries, I'm going to do the other eye. So BRBs, okay. So this is what my lashes look like after one coat. Now I'm gonna go in for a second round. Okay, and don't talk about my eyelids because sometimes you gotta get down and dirty. I'll scrape it off later. So this is the second coat. It doesn't make a world of a difference, but I just do it just to maybe add a little bit of extra length that I can get. Next, I take this, okay. Don't look at me like I'm crazy. So this telescopic mascara has all this, like it's shiny and all this stuff, and this had the exact same thing, but it kept chipping off in my makeup bag and it was like rubbing off of the bottle. So that was frustrating me, and I just took some acetone and took it all off because I wasn't gonna have little blue flakes all on my makeup. Like that was making me angry. So this is the waterproof telescopic mascara, but you just can't read it. So yeah. So now I take the waterproof one just because I don't like using regular mascara on my bottom lashes just because obviously your eyes water and then I always end up looking like a raccoon by the end of the day. So I take waterproof mascara just for the bottom and I go in. I take the tip and I just drag it just to kind of coat the lashes and then I bring it down. So yeah, here's a before and there's an after. I'm gonna let that dry once again and then I go in on the second eye. Okay, now that I'm done with both, second coat. Okay, now that that is done, another little thing that I like to do when I do my mascara is to add a little bit more, you know, depth and volume, because the telescopic mascara lengthens. It's not a volumizer. There's a couple other ones that I also like to use if I want to sacrifice a little bit of length and have more volume. So I use this Voluminous Superstar X Fiber mascara. I don't know who's it by. It's by L'Oreal, and I use that one. So it just has, you know, step 1, just the mascara, and then it has step 2, which is all the little fun fibers. But yeah, so sometimes when I want more volume and a little bit of length, I'll use this. And I just got this new one by L'Oreal. It's Telescopic Lift. It has the craziest brush that I've ever seen. So it's like flat on one side, if you can see. It's flat on one side, and then it has these longer sides on both ends, which is meant to just kind of comb through your lashes and separate them a little bit more and add length, while the short end is for volume. But today I just wanted to show the lengthening process, because I know that's what I care about a lot when it comes to my lashes, not necessarily volume. So now another way that I like to add a little bit more to my lashes is I take some black gel liner. This one is from the Beauty Supply, so I wish I could tell you the brand and all that stuff. I just got some waterproof gel eyeliner, and so what I do is I take it and to my tight line, just gives the illusion that it's darker under there and has more hair, you know? So yeah, do the other side really quickly. And that adds just a little bit of darkness under there to make it seem a little bit more full. Okay, my eyes are watering, wait. Okay, so yeah. So these are my lashes after. I know it's not insane, okay? But it's the best I can do, all right? It's the best I can do with what I got. And that's all you can really ask for. So that is pretty much my lash routine. This is what I do whenever I want to add a little pizzazz to the lashes, you know, and I don't know what I'm saying anymore. Okay, so that is it for my lash routine for some short and stubby, non-existent lashes if your guys' eyes are bald-headed. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see any more of my stuff, make sure to hit the subscribe button. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!